Here we've got Doogee S55 Lite, and let me show you how to activate Fastboot mode on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone, tap on power key, hold it for about 3 seconds, click on power off, and confirm that you would like to shut down your phone by tapping on OK. Now just wait until it's fully shut down, and then click all together on power key and volume up key, hold both keys all together until you are in boot mode. And now we are in boot mode. Here you can navigate by using volume up key and then volume down to select each option. So the second option is fast boot mode. So let me pick it, tap on volume down key to enable it. And as you can see, here is the notification that now we are in fast boot mode. Then if you would like to switch it off, you just have to switch off your phone by tapping on power key. And now switch it on normally. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in the normal mode, so we can use your device as usually. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.